So this is a test with Navisworks running on a native i7 workstation with 6 gigabytes of RAM and a NVIDIA GTX 480 card. You can see right here is using all 8 cores, all 8 hyper-threaded cores in the i7. So move around here. You can see when I stop moving the camera inside the Navisworks file, it's not using as much processing power. It's actually using about 9% right now. And then if I start moving this around, it starts using a little bit more of the GPU. You can see here 8%, 25% of the GPU, 14% of the CPU cores. So just move around really fast here just as a test. It's going up to, you can see the CPU cores creeping up 30%. Let me go back out here. The whole building. Oh. Okay. The big thing is it's using the native resources of the GPU in DirectX mode, Microsoft DirectX on the GPU, and you can see it's clearly utilizing the graphics card. So for Navisworks you do need a native graphics card, not an emulated virtualized graphics card. Here's a virtualized machine with actually OpenGL support, so it actually has GPU support inside the virtual machine, but only with OpenGL, and you can see the big difference here. Taking about 15 seconds for all the different scaffolding and piping and different structure to actually regenerate when I stop moving the camera around. So let's just let's go ahead and count that. So 20 seconds, I'll wait till that gets to 25 and I'll stop moving this. Oh, actually I'll wait till it gets to 30. There we go. Stop moving the camera and just counting down here. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, still regenerating. Still regenerating some piping. Okay, so it looks like it actually took about 20 seconds for that to regenerate, roughly. Let's go back to the native system. Now this is the native desktop. I'm just going to show you, here's my native desktop, this is the virtualized desktop on top of Linux. Here is the native desktop again, just to show. Okay, so this is using the full NVIDIA GTX 480 card, same card that's in that remote server on the cloud workstations. I'm going to go up to kind of the same view here, and we'll count down again. So I'm going to stop it there at 540, and it literally took about 3 seconds for that to regenerate. Let's just try that again. Maybe like 3 or 4 seconds there. Zoom out a little bit so there's more detail in there. About 4 seconds. So it's a pretty significant difference when you're talking about working with a very complex structure in Navisworks and you're using this as a presentation tool. You might be actually walking through space and using this as your actual presentation tool directly with your client. So to have to wait 20 seconds doesn't really work out too good with a workflow. So this test proves that we need full native GPU access to run Navisworks inside a cloud workstation.